Hello friends. Simplicity always considered to be best for in this world. Choosing a suitable WordPress theme is always a challenging task for your website projects. WP Themes channel make it easier for you, and if you have decided to make a e-commerce website with minimal and clean look, this video is for you. Today I am with a very wonderful theme called Metro. Metro is a minimal WooCommerce WordPress theme, and it is really a very good designed theme which you can use for your upcoming project. It has multiple demos available in this theme, and Metro is in fact new theme, so it has all the modern feature with minimal design and clean layout. The theme has been developed by the Radius theme, and they are elite authors. The first version came in March 20 only, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. Now you can take a look of the demo website. This is the demo landing of Metro WooCommerce theme, and we can check one of the demo. This is the first demo of Metro WooCommerce theme. You can see the clear design and to the point approach and used in this theme. We can check the single listing. This is the single product listing, very clear and easy to access. These are some pages about us. And this is about us page. FAQ page is here. We can check the complete shop option also. This is grid view of shop. And there are multiple views available and shop styles. This is one of the styles available in the theme. Single product, we can see. Color swatches are here, and all functions are very good. And the checkout option, view cart, checkout is here. So in this video we are going to install the Metro WordPress theme, and we will also see the theme features, basic customization options. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress theme is installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got documentation, licensing and theme folder, theme files itself, the main theme and the child theme. So let us begin. Go to the, I assume you have already installed the WordPress and the latest version. So go to the appearance, theme, add new, upload theme, choose file. You need to select metro.zip here, and I believe you are having direct access on your server, so you can directly upload it to the WP content themes folder. metro.zip, and theme size is 18.64 MB. It will take a bit time, but it should be complete. Let it be. Once it gets uploaded, we need to extract the metro.zip, and the extraction outcome is metro folder here, in which we got all the theme folders and files. I can see broken is here, so this theme may support the multi-vendor as well. Now we can delete the zip one. We are not going to use the zip now. So come to the WordPress theme section again. Now we have Metro as another theme option. Let us check the detail. Metro version 1.6.0. Metro is a clean, modern WordPress theme for e-commerce and online store. We can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary plugins. So you can see the theme has been developed with the Elementor page builder and the Redux framework. Both works very fine for WordPress website. So technically it is very sound. We can conclude. So let us begin the installation of plugin. So these are 4 required plugins: the Elementor core and RT framework, Redux framework, and rest are recommended. So I'm just installing most of the plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one. Install the selected plugins. Now we can return to plugin installer and activate the installed ones first. Okay, so we have installed most of the important plugins. Now we will go definitely for installing the WooCommerce, and this is the landing page of Elementor. We need to go back in the plugin installation screen. Now WooCommerce and its associates can be installed. Activate the installed plugins. Okay, fine. We have installed all the plugins, and just refresh the page. This screen may come to you as well. No worries. We just need to go in the WP admin. And upon installation of WooCommerce, we need to undergo for a basic setup of WooCommerce. We will do this on this stage. I'm just putting simple data. You can put the original one as applicable for you. Here you need to select Metro, continue with my active theme. No need to install the Jetpack here. We can install Jetpack on later stages. Now we have installed the all set of plugins and the theme itself. Now we can take a look at our website, how it looks with the theme. And this is the Metro basic look without any content. So now at this stage we should go for inputting some demo data so that we may understand the theme functionality better and get the demo type website for us. So there is an option demo content installed under tools section. This is fine, go away. So these are the options. All options are available to install, and you can choose any one as per your requirement, your wish, your choice. I am installing the first one, home one, and this is Unison importer, so it will work fine and it never gets failed. This is the feature of Unison importer. So it also resizes the images, so it takes some time, but the good thing is that it works completely fine, and definitely it will work for you as well. So we need to wait here. Don't refresh or leave this page. It is resizing 311 images, so it will take time. Just be on this page and wait for the process to be completed. It will be redirected to your home page once it gets completed. And yes, our website is complete now. The complete demo content got imported and the page got redirected on the home page as I told you. And this is the outcome website which we targeted. It is no doubt wonderful, and all the components are here as we seen in the demo. We can check the basic functionality of the installation. Yes, everything is fine. Add to cart. This is working good. Check out. And yes, everything is here. So we can conclude that the installation got successful and we have a new website with minimal feature and clean look. A stunning look is here, and the website is ready to put original content, and this is filtration and all such things are here. So now we can take a look of theme options, what we got additional in the WordPress installation to handle this theme features. And these are the theme options of Metro WordPress theme. This is general, this is the preloader, social connects, header, footer, colors, you can manage the colors, typography, layout defaults, page, blog and all, blog setting, post setting, error page setting, WooCommerce setting, and also things are here through which you can control your complete website, and no additional things required. So SEO schema is here. This is also a good feature. You can control the schema for the optimization purpose. So we got everything good in this theme, and we have already seen the theme option. Now we can go to the home page. I'll show you how to customize the home page and all. Just a quick look. This, as I said, this theme has been made with Elementor, so we can edit with Elementor here. So customization is so simple. As you can see, every section is here, and I assume you know the navigator feature of Elementor. You can handle all the columns, sections. Let us say you need to edit this, you can edit this as well. Section editors are here. These are the functions, and these are the pulls from the database. So you can easily customize the complete website using these options. So we can conclude that we have successfully installed the Metro WordPress theme in this video, and the outcome website is very good, and definitely it is going to bring a wonderful website for you. If you get any problem in installation or demo or the customization of this theme, you may get in touch with me. Just write in the comment section of this video. I am also giving the link of my website where you can get this theme, and you can further start a discussion for community help. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. I am going to bring some wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.